As you can see, there is one missing file. There is no problem, guys. Just to close stuff here and select I accept and install the DirectX. Select finish option. As you can see, unable to execute file. You will get this error, guys. To fix this, go to search menu and type Windows Security and click on open it. Select the virus and threat protection and select protection history. And as you can see, threat quarantine, click on it and select yes. And as you can see, game related file is in here, guys. Select the action option and select the restore option and select yes. And now the file has been restored. And now just need to close stuff here and navigate to the game folder, guys. I saved in C drive games, and here is the game folder. And as you can see, the game play game is here. Just right click and select show more options and send it to desktop create shortcut, and the game has been created to shortcut a new desktop shortcut. Just close stuff here and launch the game through the desktop shortcut. And now the game's open up without having any problem, and you will never face any game related problem, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.